Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Pranshi Verma this side guys. In today's video we will learn universal human values and professional ethics, unit 2 multiple choice question and answer, and unit 2 name is harmony in self. Okay, now let's begin. गाइस जैसे कि आप जानते हैं यहाँ पर मैं आपको एमसीक्यू टाइप से जो क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं आपके एग्ज़ाम में मैं आपको उसी टाइप से कुछ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स क्वेश्चन शेयर करने वाली हूँ. सो गाइस आपको एग्ज़ाम में क्या होगा, क्वेश्चन इसी टाइप से आएगा बट जस्ट साथ में 4 ऑप्शंस इंक्लूड होंगे. आपको राइट ऑप्शन चूज़ करना होगा. सो आप इस बात की टेंशन बिल्कुल मत लीजिएगा. मैं आपको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स शेयर कर रही हूँ और आपके एग्ज़ाम में मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं. ओके, आई होप यू क्लियर दिस. नाउ स्टार्ट करते हैं. इन दिस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज यहाँ मीन्स 57 1 to 56 हमने कवर किया था यूनिट 1 में. इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में ज़रूर मिल जाएगा. एंड नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. यूनिट इज नोइंग मीन्स हैविंग द राइट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके, next one is each human being is coexistence of the self and the body. 59th one is the body does not assume things. 61 is Sanyam is the feeling of responsibility for nurturing, protecting, and right utilizing the body. Question number 61 is where there is harmony among the parts of the body, it's known as swasthya. Question number 62, Sanyam is the basis of swasthya. Question number 63, Sanyam is the vital for the swasthya. Question number 64, with the help of the body, self explores and interact with rest of the nature. Question number 65. The system of the body works in a self-organized way. Question number 66. Human body is an instrument to facilitate right understanding. Question number 67. The self is conscious in nature while body is psychochemical in nature. Next, question number 68. The basic capacity of self is known as power. Question number 69. The power capacity for selecting testing is expectation. Question number 70. Expectation is the capacity of selecting or testing. Question number 71. The self and body interacts with each other via the activity of selecting and testing. Question number 72. The flow of activity, that is selecting and testing, can lead to thoughts. Okay. Question number 73. The capacity of thoughts could lead to desires. Question number 74. The activity of desires, thoughts, and expecting together is called as imagination. Question number 76. We make choices with external world based on our imagination today. Question number 77. Imaging is continuous with time. Okay. 78 one is the activity of selecting testing is continuous. Question number 79. What we analyze may keep changing. The activity of analyzing is continuous. Question number 80. When we assume something about on the prevailing notion, it's called preconditioning. Question number 81. Realization means to be able to see the reality as it is. Question number 82. What we really want to be our natural acceptance. 83 one is we can have right understanding through the process of realization. Question number 84. Behavior on the basis of realization and understanding is called self-organized behavior. Question number 85. Human being is coexistence of self and body. Question number 86. The self or I is also called consciousness. Question number 87. Clothing, nourishment, etc. are the needs of body. Question number 88. Trust, respect, happiness, etc. are the needs of self. Question number 89. The needs of the self are continuous in the time and needs to be body are temporary. Okay. Question number 90. Needs of the body are temporary while the needs of the self are continuous. Question number 91. Physical facilities are required in are in limited quantity. It's not quality, it's a quantity. Okay, listen to me very carefully. Question number 92. If the needs are naturally acceptable, I want them continuously. Question number 93. The needs of self are qualitative in nature and we want them continuously. Question number 94. The needs of the body are ensured by psychochemical things, by physicochemical things. Question number 95. The needs of the self are ensured by right understanding and right feelings. Question number 97. By right understanding, we become responsible to ourselves. Question number 98. Choosing and imaging are the activities of self. Okay. Question number 99. Recognition and fulfillment between material entities is always definite. Question number 100. In I, self, recognizing and fulfilling depends on assuming. Okay. Question number 101 is the activity of fulfillment depends on recognition. Question number 102 is knowing means we have the right understanding. Question number 103. Any entity that has the activity of recognizing and fulfillment only can be called as material entity. Question number 104. The feeling of prosperity is the need of self. Question number 105. Physical facilities are the need of the body. Question number 106. Selecting and desiring are the activities of self. Question number 7. I am the seer, doer and enjoyer. Question number 108. The body is an instrument of I means self. Question number 109. The requirement of body are nutrition, protection and right utilization. Question number 111. Seer means the one that understands. Question number 122. Question number 112 is the awareness of being is an I. Question number 113 is seer is also called drastita or drastita refers to seer. Question number 114 is doer is also called karta or karta refers to doer. Question number 115 is enjoyer is also called bhokta or bhokta refers to enjoyer. Guys, this type of question are mostly asking in examination जहाँ पर आपको हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों डिफाइन करनी होती है उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्वेश्चन जरूर आता है ह्यूमन वैल्यूज में सो फोकस ऑन इट. Now question number 117. In relationship we want mutual fulfillment. Question number 118 is from physical facilities we want prosperity. Question number 119 is swasthya leads to sukh. Question number 120 is Sanyam represents self-control. And 121 is swasthya refers to health. Okay. Now mates and okay guys, now let's find up this lecture. मिलते हैं next video में. तब तक के लिए प्लीज़ आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बेल आइकन प्रेस कीजिए, वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए. Wish you a very all the best for your examination.